A very good morning, Mark. Here, Wednesday, October the 29th, 8 a.m. Eastern, 12 midday GMT. US session has just got underway. Let's have a look how the markets shape up today. US dollar index certainly started strong. I've got support at 98.42. I've got resistance at 98.80. Same resistance levels that's been tested for going on a week now. Buyers unable to break above this resistance level and has been pushed down. It's left a bit of a wick behind. So some US dollar selling off right now and sitting at 98.64. If I zoom in on that hourly, there you'll see started strong European session and now giving up some of those gains and settling midway between the range today. Price action is above the ascending trend line and buyers will look to retest this resistance level. Sellers, on the other hand, if that continues and we see a sell-off of US dollar in the index, sellers will be testing the support area. Let's have a look at S&P. Again, strong. It's been really strong this week, gapped up to start the week. Record highs on Monday, Tuesday. Same thing today, new record high. I've got support at 6,922 and I've got resistance at 6,945. We're an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening up. We'll see whether this can be maintained and the demand for equities continues, or if we're going to get a turnaround from these resistance levels and sellers look down at the support level. Let's look at gold. Gold fighting its way back. Strong sell-off in gold. It's lasted over a week now. And yesterday, all the way down to 3,000, just below 3,900. Today, demand for gold. Gold is fighting back. I've got support at 3,940 and I've got resistance at 4,032. There's the 4,000 level, strategic pivotal level, and buyers have broken above that level today. We'll look to maintain above that level and we'll look to get back above this ascending trend line and above today's intraday resistance at 4,032. But gold on the front foot for now, looking to recoup the losses, firstly from yesterday, and then look to push higher and resume the uptrend that gold had been in for so long prior to this sell-off which we saw last week. Let's look at Brent oil. We've had a 2-day sell-off today. Doji-like candle showing indecision, neither side able to follow through. I've got support matching yesterday's support at 63.33 and I have resistance at 64.21. The last three candlesticks, including today, I've got third consecutive lower highs. Trend is still up. EMAs are pointed to the upside. Buyers will look to test this resistance level. Sellers, of course, will look at the support for the last 2 days of 63.33. But for now, sitting right in a little bit above the middle, but sitting flat from where it started. We'll see how that materializes through the US session. Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting in a flat range today. I've got support at 112.1 and I've got resistance at 113.5, just under $1,500 range, which is tight. Sellers were first out and tested the support level, held up alongside yesterday's support where buyers have stepped in. Buyers will be looking at this intraday resistance, looking up above 115,000. sellers looking to break below the 112,000 level. But tight to start, sideways, price action at the moment and current levels alongside yesterday's close. Again, we'll see how that plays out. We'll see if buyers are able to add to this uptrend or if we're going to see a turnaround now that the US session is underway. Good trading, keep that discipline. I will see you at the end of day session.